Okay, so here we go. Here are a few examples from the homework from section 4.2. So we're simplifying expressions after having done the distributive property. So the first thing to do is to distribute if you need to. Excuse me. So for number 30, distribute the 3 to the 2 and the a. Gives us 2a plus 6 plus 3a. Then our like terms are the 3a and the 2a. Now again, remember, I'm adding them, not multiplying them. So I don't want to do a times a, which is what a squared means. I just want to say I've got 2 of them. I'm going to add 3 more to them. That gives us 5 of them. So 5 a's and then plus 6. And these aren't like terms. So I just can't throw them together. It's just stuck as 5a plus 6. On 32, I'm going to distribute a negative 2 to both of those. So negative 2 times 2x. And again, remember, negative 2 times 2x, which is negative 4x. And I talked about this in class earlier. Okay, I kind of wrote over that. It was negative 2 times 2x minus 5. Make that plus negative 5. And the reason is negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. It takes care of the sign for us. Then subtract another 4x. Negative 4x is negative 8x plus 10. There we go. Okay. All right then. Other problems. 36. Number 36 from the homework. Money. On Monday, Rebecca spent D dollars on lunch. She spent 50 cents more on Tuesday than she did on Monday, and on Wednesday she spent as much as she did on Tuesday. So here we go. Let's call Monday is D. Tuesday is 50 cents more than Monday. So 0.50 plus D is Tuesday. So whatever she spent Tuesday, she added 50 cents onto that. On Wednesday, then, she spent twice as much as she did on Tuesday. So here's Tuesday's money. Double that. Now, the thing at the end is how much did she spend total? So distribute 2 here. That gives us 2 times 50, which is 1, plus 2D. So now we'll add all those up. D plus 0.50 plus D plus 1 plus 2D. This is 1D, this is 1D here. So 1D plus 1D plus 2D is going to give us 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4, 4D. And then 50 cents plus $1 is $1.50. So whatever D is, she spent 4D plus 150 for lunch this week. Okay. Next one, 36. Not 36, sorry, we just did 36. 42. I like 42 because there's a common mistake people make with this problem. And it's not the left side, it's right here. It's what in the world do I do with that negative? Well, first of all, this means 2 times x minus y plus negative times x plus y. Again, anytime you're subtracting, it's just like adding the opposite. And then the question is, what is that negative thing I have? Well, if there's no number in front of something that I'm multiplying by, which is what I'm doing, that really means it's negative 1. Okay, so 2 times x minus y plus negative 1 times x plus y. So distribute the 2 to the x, 2 to the y, 2x minus 2y, and then plus negative 1 times x, negative 1 times y, negative 1x plus negative 1y. And now I can add 2x and negative 1x. Well, that's just positive 1x. Negative 2y, negative 1y is negative 3y. There we go. 1x minus 3y. Or the way the book could write it is just x minus 3y. But I don't mind if you leave it as 1x. Okay. And then last but not least, 44. And really the issue with 44 is the same as the last one. And then a little bit of fractions. So we've got negative 3/4 times 3x plus 2y. Plus negative 3/8 times x. I'm going to make that plus negative 3y as well. Okay. So negative 3/4 times 3x is negative 9x over 4. Negative 3/4 times 2y is negative 6y over 4. Okay, which will simplify in a moment. And then negative 3/8x is just negative 3/8x. And then negative 3 over 1 times negative 3 over 8 is positive 9y over 8. Okay. Now what I'm going to have to do, unfortunately, and this is why I didn't mind leaving it, is I'm going to have to get it all in the common denominators, which is eighths. So I'll have to multiply that by 2 over 2, that by 2 over 2 as well. So I got negative 18x over 8 plus negative 3x over 8, okay, and then plus negative 12y over 8 plus 9y over 8. Okay, so negative 18x plus negative 3x is negative 21x over 8 plus negative 19 or negative 12y plus 9y is negative 3y over 8, and that's our simplified problem. Okay, so the fractions get a little hairy on 44. Okay, and that's it for section 4.2. Again, if you got anything else, come on in, before or after school, and I'll help you out with it.